Welcome to Japan. Yeah, I'm the chair of the symposium, and I'm King Lee. Today, we will have 6 presentations.
それでははじめにINFOM のご紹介をいたします。
We will start the exchange meeting. We will have 15 presentations.
Okay, dear colleagues, I will try to present our work.
Lecturers and therapists and doctors and other parties will make.
So my name's Brooke Mellon. I live in New York City. I've lived there 14 years, and I am nature's.
I'm Tina Fields, and I'm involved in several things that are tied with Shinrin-yoku. One is the international.
Konbawa. Yes. So my name is Julianne Skyarber. I'm from California.
Is similar. My research thesis is actually looking at the various manuals that have been done.
I'm usually considered a bad guy because, first of all, what we do is wrong because it's after.
Because 6 and 7 are the same.
Okay, we are Titus and Phyllis. We are going to present our project called Garden of Values that we wrote and cited in here. So its title is called Garden of.
Hi everyone, my name is Wong, come from Vietnam, and I write this a lot of information about me.
My name is Petra Herenhof, and I'm the director of Shinrin-yoku Nederland, and also
I'm from Canada, Vancouver specifically, and I would like to introduce you to the Great Bear Rainforest.
Konbanwa. No speak. I am Reiko Miyazaki. Already you know, and I showed that this.
Dr. Pushpa, we would like to share with you some of our understanding. The forest as medicine is also known.
This is a very relatively new program for the most of my slides I will skip because of the time. So that's it.
Thank you very much. We finished all presentation. Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay, good morning, everybody. We will opening the opening ceremony now.
皆様おはようございます。INFOM の会長の今井美智子と申します。
Good morning, everyone. This is Michiko Imai, President of INFOM.
上野村のコースははじめに太古のストレス反応を払拭し、その後、精神的な重圧を除くという 人類の歴史に沿った形になる大変効果的なスケジュールになっています。
We can say today's course is in line with the human history because we remove ancient stress reactions first and then remove mental pressure. I think today's schedule will be more effective than normal therapy courses.
ここ日本、森林浴発祥の地から皆様のお力をお借りして、これからも世界中に森林浴の良さを広げていきたいと存じます。ありがとうございました。
Japan is a birthplace of forest bathing. We will try to spread the concept of forest bathing all around the world with your collaboration. Thank you very much.
I am Hachiro Kurosawa, the mayor of Ueno Mura. Thank you. I hope your seminar would be fruitful and successful. I am sure Ueno Mura would help you through its everlasting nature.
I am Koji Hongo, Deputy Director General, Forestry Agency of Japan. I want to encourage local communities by not only wood production, but also other use of forests. For that purpose, I think Shinrin-yoku for city people's health and relaxation is a hopeful method for promoting local economies. Stress-related diseases have become a social problem, especially in cities and the modern industrial society. Shinrin-yoku have preventative medical effects for that diseases. I expected that people visit forest area to do Shinrin-yoku for their health, and people give good economical effect to the forest areas and the local communities. I hope your academic dialogues can promote our better understandings. Thank you very much.
Exactly, stream in a was living with bounty. There is a road for the human beings or not.
でそうするとどうしても自分の利き足出しちゃうの。 だけれどもこういうところではなるべく利き足じゃないのを出してください。
When you walk down the stairs, please use your non-dominant leg for the first step. We use our dominant leg unconsciously in our daily lives. If we continue to use our dominant leg, you will see a gap in function between the right leg and the left leg. Your body will lose a balance when you get old, okay? So if your dominant leg is right, you should take a step from the left leg to strike a balance. It is a good training for your left leg and adjust an imbalance. Please raise your hands toward the sun here, like this. Okay? Turn your palm to the sun and keep it about 1 minute. Blood come to the center and come back to the heart. Okay? So we feel warm in the center of the palm. It's one of the 5 senses. Okay?
Maybe it's becoming center.
You're thirsty. Maybe you can take water.
We all had to come in a box.
Actually, it was before.
I'm going next.
Just let it go, let it go.
Deep breath again. That's all.
Okay.
By Dr. Michiko Imai, the president of International Society of Nature and Forest Medicine, INFOM. And the rest of the certificate is given to the non-doctor personnel. I will read everybody's certificate. Certificate of completion in forest and medicine.
Congratulations.